Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making strawberry shortcake from scratch. Fluffy, homemade, buttery biscuits topped with a delicious strawberry sauce and fresh whipped cream. This strawberry dessert is a summertime favorite. It's fresh and natural, made with just a few ingredients that make the most of summer's juicy strawberries. I'm excited to show you how to make the best homemade strawberry shortcake recipe. It's so easy and such a delicious strawberry dessert. Take a look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the entire recipe in the description box below. First, begin by preheating the oven to 425 degrees, and we'll start mixing the dry ingredients first. Measure out 3 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of sugar. Next, I'm going to grate 12 tablespoons of butter into the flour mixture. And this will make it even easier to cut the butter quickly into the flour. Use a pastry blender or a fork to finish incorporating it until the mixture is coarse crumbs. Then mix 1 cup of whole milk with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Pour it into the flour mixture and mix gently with a fork, just enough to bring it all together. I like to hand form these biscuits, gently pressing them in my hand and placing them on a baking sheet about 2 inches apart. This buttery dough is a little messy, but that's okay. Just handle it as little as possible for the most tender biscuits. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make homemade food that's easy and delicious and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Brush the tops of the biscuits with the heavy cream and sprinkle on sugar for a delicious crispy top. Bake these for 15 minutes in the 425-degree oven. Then let them cool and gently slice in half. For the strawberry filling, we just need 4 cups of sliced strawberries and 1/4 cup of sugar. I like to heat these up in the saucepan over medium-low heat to make a strawberry sauce that's delicious, syrupy, and it's perfect for seeping down into the sweet biscuits and melting into the whipped cream. As the biscuits and strawberries cool, mix together 2 cups of cold, heavy cream and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar on medium speed until soft peaks form. I'm serving our strawberry shortcakes while the biscuits and the strawberries are still warm, layering the strawberry sauce on top of the bottom of the biscuit, then adding a generous scoop of whipped cream and the biscuit top. Enjoy these delicious packages of buttery, creamy strawberry sauce goodness. They're so delicious, and I think you're going to really love them. If you like this recipe, consider sharing our channel with a friend. And if you love to entertain, check out our Potluck Favorites playlist. Here's another recipe I think you'll like, and I'll see you in the next video.